Stride. I stride to work with purpose every morning. I am striding across the stage to collect my award right now. I have just stridden into the boss's office. I have been striding up and down the platform for 20 minutes. I strode confidently into the interview yesterday. I was striding along the beach when the tide turned. I had stridden halfway home before I realized I forgot my keys. I had been striding through the hills for hours before I rested. I will stride onto the pitch with the team tomorrow. I will be striding around the fair as the guide all day. I will have stridden 10 kilometers by the end of the hike. By June, I will have been striding to the summit each weekend for a year.